If you want to create quiz questions using ChatGPT, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to get accurate, well-formatted questions fast. Whether you're making a classroom quiz, a training assessment, or a fun knowledge test, ChatGPT can help you generate multiple choice questions, true or false questions, and answer keys in just a few seconds. The key is giving it the right prompt and the right context. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're in, think about the topic you want your quiz to cover. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. For example, instead of saying, make a quiz about history, try saying, make a quiz about World War II for high school students, or create a beginner quiz about basic nutrition. That extra detail helps ChatGPT understand the audience, difficulty level, and format you want. Now, for the fastest method, you can use a direct prompt. A simple prompt structure is create a certain number of questions, choose the question type, define the topic, and set the difficulty level. For example, you can say, create a 10-question multiple-choice quiz about climate change for beginners. Provide the correct answers at the end. This gives ChatGPT a clear task and helps it return a clean result. If you want true or false questions instead, just change the format in the prompt. You can say, create a 5-question true or false quiz about animals for middle school students. Provide the answers at the end. ChatGPT will then generate questions that match that style. One of the best things you can do is ask ChatGPT to follow a sample data format. This makes the output much easier to read and reuse. For example, you can tell it to format each question like this: question, answer choices, and then answer letter at the end. That way, your quiz is organized and ready to copy into a document, form, or slide deck. If you want even better results, add context before asking for the quiz. You can paste a paragraph, a website link, notes for the lesson, or even upload a PDF if your version of ChatGPT supports it. Then ask ChatGPT to create questions based only on that material. This is especially useful for teachers, trainers, and content creators who want quiz questions that are tied to a specific source. You can also control the difficulty level. If you want easy questions, say beginner or basic. If you want more challenging questions, say advanced or expert level. You can even ask ChatGPT to mix difficulty levels so you get a balanced quiz. Another useful tip is to ask for the correct answers at the end only. This keeps the questions clean and makes it easier to use the quiz without revealing answers too early. If you want, you can also ask ChatGPT to avoid trick questions, keep the wording simple, or make the options similar in length. These small instructions improve quality a lot. After ChatGPT generates the quiz, always review it before using it. Check the facts, make sure the answers are correct, and confirm the wording matches your audience. AI is fast, but human review is still important, especially if the quiz will be used for learning, testing, or publishing. If the output isn't quite right, don't start over. Just refine your prompt. You can say things like, make the question shorter, use easier vocabulary, add more challenging distractors, or format the answers as A, B, C, and D. ChatGPT works best when you iterate. The more specific your instructions are, the better the quiz becomes. So to recap, the easiest way to create quiz questions using ChatGPT is to start with a clear topic, choose the question type, set the number of questions, define the difficulty, and ask for the answers in a structured format. If you add source material and keep refining the prompt, you can generate professional-looking quizzes in minutes. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.